Now here we have a real stunner, a proper classic and rare machine. In this case, a 1998 Buell S1 Lightning. Now this beautiful example we imported from Japan. She's only covered 26,302 kilometres, which is under 16,500 miles. Not a lot of mileage at all for a 28-year-old machine. I can't add up. Now we've done a lot of recommissioning on this bike. So new Dunlop Sport Max tyres front and rear, new brake pads front and rear, forks have been overhauled with new seals and fluids, the engine oil's been changed, new filter, oil filter, air filter, carburetor's been ultrasonically cleaned, a new battery fitted. So all in all, anything that can be done has been done. A standard bike except for braided hoses and these nice aluminium footrest assemblies. The original ones on these were chrome and not so pretty. It's got some hot wire plug leads. If we come around to this side, a Sportster style air filter. The original air filter on these is a big plastic item, and that mats on that bracket there. It's been upgraded with a Brembo radial master cylinder front brake, so this thing stops on a sixpence. The original brakes were good, but the Brembo master cylinder, slightly different bore, really helps this a lot. Now the general condition is fantastic, the paintwork is excellent on her. The frame has the odd stain and mark with wear and age, as you can imagine, but really a very, very good example of one of these. Also something to note, she's actually chain drive converted. Now this was done by a lot of customers because what they wanted to do was have a choice of gearing. So the pulleys and belts limit you on gearing choices. That's either an issue for people or it isn't. Depends on what you want to do with the bike. But the beauty of this one is it's standard exhaust, hasn't been mucked with. No one shortened the frame even or the subframe even more. It's a very, very original machine, chassis-wise. When they've been heavily modified, it does affect values. And a bit like Harley Davidson's, you personalise them and you do limit the market. Talking of the exhaust, we've had the exhaust removed, cleaned it, and she's been blasted and sprayed with VHT high temperature paint. So actually no issues there. And even the heat shield there we've redone. The downputs are in great order, they're stainless steel and they really, really are nice. So let's hear how this beauty runs. I have to show you this old school choke lever. Last time I saw one of those was on a 90s Mini, and it's nice to see some of these old fittings. Right, so there we go. I have to just bear with me. Tips over beautiful, nice clear instruments. A lovely bracket there. CNC machine to hold the master cylinder reservoir. That's a lovely touch. And these cool mirrors. Aircraft style filler cap and obviously a plastic tank. As you can hear, not loud at all. She sounds very, very nice. Let me just remove that. Very cool looking bike, and I think Eric Buell's best design, the original S1 Lightning with the shorter seat unit. It is a two-seater bike, but obviously it's limited room. It is possible to fit the longer seat units with a bit of fabrication, but this is the original design and a proper hooligan machine, and really sort of emphasises that Street Fighter style. So we're happy to export the bike worldwide, and delivery in the UK is always possible. Just contact me for details. We can either, for export, just remember as well, it's a 28-year-old machine. So for certain markets, importing it will be easier and the taxes can be lower. So do check with your local customs to see what can and can't be done. Now, she's going live this weekend. She'll be on Car and Classic, Instagram, YouTube, and our own website, classicandrare.co.uk. And if you have any questions, please feel free to contact us. I'll do my best to answer them as quick as I can. And yeah, just let us know. The stunning, Buell S1 Lightning in a fantastic colour, perfect for summer. You know you want to.